Today I'm baking a banana bread, and for this, I need. To start, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mash the bananas and beat the eggs. Now mix them together and set aside. Whisk together flour, baking soda, and salt. Chop the walnuts and cream the butter and sugar. Add the banana mixture and mix until blended. Add the flour mixture and make sure not to overmix. Add vanilla, chopped walnuts and raisins or chocolate chips. Grease the bread loaf pan with melted butter and pour the batter into it. Bake it for 60 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. And here's my favorite part, the crunchy top. Enjoy!